Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jessica George. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. So you guys, today is Sunday. I'm dressed for church, but I was like, before I go to church, let me just quickly start this vlog. So today's vlog is sponsored by me. Yes, it's sponsored by my brand, Cakes by Jessica George. If you don't know, I'm a baker. I make cakes. Check out my Instagram, Cakes by Jessica George. So yes, I decided to sponsor this video because I need you guys to know what I do. I need you guys to know what I do. I need you guys to know the business that I do. So I have this cake that I'm going out to deliver today. Right now, I'm going to deliver the cake. Yes, I'm going by myself because it's not easy to get car delivery people on a Sunday. So yes, I'm going to deliver that cake. Let me show you guys what the cake looks like. So this is the cake sitting pretty in my freezer. It's in my freezer because it's a whipped cream cake, so not a buttercream cake. So you guys just look at this now. Just look at how fine this cake is. I'm about to deliver it right now. I'm about to bring it out from the freezer and pack it here and pack it inside this box before I leave. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. If you're in Abuja and you need somebody to, make cakes, small chops, treats for you, please reach out to me. Send a DM to Cakes by Jessica George. I'll be so glad to be at your service. Yes, thank you guys so much. And also, if you're not following my personal Instagram, please do so at official Jessica George. Is up here on the screen. Please follow my Instagram. See, your girl is no longer, if you go to my Instagram, I'm doing things. Yes, I'm doing things. Your girl is now an influencer. Yes, brands are reaching out to me. I'll be doing some unboxing in maybe the next clip in this vlog, so you guys will see some of the things that was sent to me, like PR stuff that I'll be working with on my Instagram. Please go and follow my Instagram. That's where the gist is. That is where it is happening. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Hey guys, welcome back. See, please ignore the way I'm sounding. I'm not feeling fine. I feel sick, but I've not taken any medication. When my husband is coming back, he will buy medicine for me. I feel cold. I feel like I'm having catarrh. You can see my eyes are red. And this is me carrying baby rain on my back. So you guys, I want to make Abacha for dinner today, and I just said let me vlog, some clips, not everything. Let me vlog some clips of me making the Abacha. So I'm making Abacha and Isi-Ewu goat head. I just finished washing the meat. I want to put it on the fire now. I'm going to show you guys, but after I put it on the fire, I want to go and buy onions just close to my house here. I don't have onions at home. So let me show you guys the goat head, and then let me show you guys the goat head first, then I'll show you guys the remaining ingredients when I come back from buying the onions. So this is the goat head. This one here is the brain. I just tied it in a nylon. Then this one. So I'm going to put my ingredients now and then put it on the fire. So you guys see this spice, there are 3 of them. Let me even bring them out. Look at them. This one is onion, garlic and ginger. This one is all-purpose seasoning, and this one is meaty mix spice. This is the one I'll be putting in this meat right now. This brand, I'm working with them on Instagram. And you guys see the seasoning is so good. It's so good. I'm so happy. See, I recommend it if you are looking for good spices. This carries tasty blends. They are good. Like their spices are really good. Everything I'm cooking now, I always use the spices. This one is for meat, so anytime I'm boiling meat, I like to add small.